When the world was divided by wars, rivals, and endless conflicts, there once existed a place where humanity paused everything to celebrate strength, honor, and unity. This place was Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Nearly 2,800 years ago, in ancient Greece, a sacred festival began in honor of the god Zeus. It wasn't created by any king or emperor. It was a gathering of city-states, many of which were bitter enemies. Yet every 4 years, they traveled long distances to reach Olympia. And during this time, an extraordinary thing happened. Every war stopped. This sacred peace was known as the Olympic Truce. The games held in Olympia were far more than competitions. They were a test of character and integrity. Athletes competed in running, wrestling, chariot racing, spear throwing, and boxing. Before every event, they swore an oath to play fairly and honestly. Anyone caught cheating was not simply disqualified. They had statues built of them in public, not to honor them, but to shame them for generations, so that others would learn from their mistakes. Victory meant glory, but only if earned with honor. Surprisingly, winners received no gold medals and no money. Instead, they were crowned with a simple wreath made of olive leaves. Yet this humble crown carried more pride than treasure. When champions returned home, people would break down the city gates to welcome them inside, celebrating them like heroes touched by the divine. To win in Olympia meant to be remembered forever. Women were not allowed inside the Olympic Stadium, but one determined mother disguised herself as a man to secretly watch her son compete. When discovered, she was not punished, because Greek laws protected the mother of an Olympic winner. Her courage became one of the most unforgettable stories of the ancient games. For almost 1,200 years, Olympia united the Greek world. But in the 4th century AD, the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned all ancient traditions he called pagan. Slowly, the temples collapsed, the stadium turned silent, and the Olympic Games faded into history. Then, after 15 long centuries, a young visionary named Pierre de Coubertin revived the ancient dream, believing that sports could unite the modern world just as they once united ancient Greece. In 1896, the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, and a forgotten tradition was reborn. Today, when more than 200 nations walk together into a single stadium, they carry within them the spirit of ancient Olympia, a reminder that unity, above all, is humanity's greatest victory.